Today in this video we are going to looking for the Blendshape settings and how we're going to use the Blendshape on the face and some modification of it. So by the end of this video you will have a pretty good knowledge about Blendshape, so you can use it in your own characters. And yes, for the first part, the Blendshape explanation is like why we use the Blendshape. So we use Blendshape for some facial expressions, different facial expressions. We cannot do it for our in the help of our controllers directly. Is very hard to get a perfect facial expression. So we give this to modeling department, and they will give us some facial expressions of a smiley facial expression, some disgust, surprise, any kind of facial expression. They make it in modeling shape first, then we apply those meshes to our main head mesh. So we can get advantage from the modeling department to get a perfect blend shape. Expression actually. So yeah, so how we gonna apply this blend shape on the top of it? And if I go and select this main mesh, you see there's already skinning is coming on, which is if you are applying something, and it has to be there. So the joint is driving now mesh. So let's see how we're gonna do it. First we will select all of the blend shape, and at the end we will select the geometry, the target geometry in which we are going to apply the blend shape. Then we are going to go over the deform blend shape. Let's go in the option, reset it, and then put a name. Like these are facial expressions, so I can say FACILEXP. This is a short form, whatever here it is, let it be by default, and create it. So you can see over here, we have now one more input node which says facial expression. So now we can just hide the facial group or let it be like that. It's totally fine. So now we select this, and let's check it what is there. So when I open the facial expression input node, I have see 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 nodes of incoming. So then these 4 nodes are 1, 2, 3, 4 with the same name of the geometry. So let's just tweak it first. So okay, the selection I need to turn off, otherwise it's hard to see. So go for viewport, turn on the selection highlight. So if even you select the mesh, you see it's appeared over here, but the selection will not be seen. So select the head, the target mesh, select the facial expressions, and now check it. So now this is resembling the first one. Then the second one is a happy smile, and you can see this is a happy smile expression we are getting. And now the third one is this one, the disgust. So it's always a good practice to name your blend shapes according to which the shape represents. So it will be very easy to animate them, to find them. And last one is the surprise one. So yes. And yes, after applying the blend shape, you can just delete the group. And the great thing about Maya is it still store your vertex information on top of it. As you can see, even I have deleted that blend shape group, no mess is there. But before that, I have already applied those meshes as a blend shape target. So it's actually working, still working. So it's good. So go back. I need those expressions. And yes, so now the blend shape is done. So first thing we need like we need to add more expressions, or we need to remove one of the expressions which we think like, okay, this expression we are not going to need. This is an extra expression. For example, this one, the first one. So I think like it is okay BS, this blend shape. We're gonna remove this from this expressions list. This expression is the first one, so we don't need this. So just select this geometry, select the target geometry in which applied, then go for deform. Then you have to come little inside the edit section. remember when we are creating, we used that time the create section for Blendshape. Now we are editing, so we're gonna need for go for the edit section and the Blendshape option. Pull it out and see we have options like add, remove, swap, bake topology, target, edit normal. So add and remove we're gonna use right now. The swap and bake is a very not recommended to use. This will break your facial geometry many times. So okay, so now go for it. Select this one, select the target one, and then you can directly click on the remove, but I will go to this section. Then you also have an option, you can choose a specific node, which node you want to edit. So you can check in, and this is the facial expression. This is the name of the Blendshape node over here. And yeah, and you can also specify the target. So if you have, you can rename the OKBS and do it. For now, just remove this. We can use a default one. Select this, and just remove it. So now it worked. You can see it's here. It's worked. Now select this and select the target geometry, the head, and go facial. And here now you have you can see the OKBS is gone. Now we are left with only one, two, three of our blend shapes over here. So that means now there's no OKBS, the first one which we removed. Only these three and also working fine. So now the add one, since we removed it, now we need it back, or some other expressions we need. If we created one more expression and we need to add it in the list, then select, for example, the OK. Let's see, the OK base is the one which we need to add. Select the OK, select the head mesh, go for the add one. So now you just click, and you can see over here, this is also showing like, okay, this is now connected. Now for checking purpose, select the head mesh, facial expression, and at the end you will see the OKBS is now connected again. And yes, when you are applying this all the blend shape to the main target mesh, so and this hierarchy is also created by the, like, which blend shape will be going to be the first, second, third. It always depends on your selection order. If you select the discussed BS first, then second, then this will be a selection order. I'll show you. Just copy this, paste over here. Let me delete that and create that again. So right now we think like, okay, the smiley should be the first. The first the first geometry will be this blend shape. I select this. Second will be the surprise one. Third one will be the disgust or okay, and fourth one will be the disgust. So this is our selection order. So now we're gonna go for deform, blend shape. Let's put the name again, facial expression, exp, and create it. So now you go over here, and this is, I guess we have missed something. All right, we have missed something definitely. So let's go over here. At the end, we will select this, and then again go for blend shape, reset this, FACILEXPE, great. And then we select the target, and our new node is ready. So now you can see the blend shape order is like this. The first one is the smiley one, surprise. Second one we did select the surprise, and third one is okay, and the fourth one we have selected is like the disgust one. So in this way, when we are applying the blend shape on the target mesh, we can just rearrange while selecting it, whichever we need, and it's okay, whichever node will be on the top. On uh, the blend shape node will be top and bottom, is totally fine. So now this is how we are going to apply the blend shapes, but now the technical part is here. So what does that mean? That means like if any of your blend shape is on. So so right now you see select the head mesh, it's moving, it's fine. If you go select the whole geometry, rotate it is fine, and also here is totally moving is fine, and the head one you select is totally fine. So but it's the whole skin cluster, this is behaving because the geometry is connected with the skin cluster with the head mesh. So this is moving, and you see the facial expression is on the top. None of the blend shape is right now triggered. As soon as we trigger one of the blend shape, what will happen? You see, it will go back to its base position. It will go back to its base position, but we need the expression and we need also the skin cluster to be act at the same time. So how we gonna fix this? So instead of this node, we need to arrange a skin cluster should be on the top, and facial expression, this blend shape node should be in the bottom. And how we gonna do that? We just click right click, and then we can go to here the input node. Then at the bottom we go for the all input node. So remember, facials, first select the target mesh, the head geo, or the mesh in which you have applied all of your the blend shapes. Then you select this, go to right long press right click, then go for input and all input. Then after that you will see this this window will come, and you see here you can uh, rearrange your the sequence of your input nodes over here, the input node. So the blend shape is on the top, either you put the skin on the top or put the blend shape on the bottom. So I will go put my cursor on the blend shape, middle mouse button, then this dotted line will appear, then try to drag it down under the skin, and here you can see our the blend shape is now swapped. So now if we go for here, you can also see the reflection in input node, the skin cluster is on the top, and the expression, the blend shape node goes on the down. Now if we trigger the blend shape, it's now working perfectly, it's not going anywhere, it's just maintaining its positions where we moved our joints. So I'll show you again. Go for, then right click, input, all input. Okay, we don't see that. Select this, input, all input, and the window come. And this was before. So just turn on one of this option, the surprise. One of the blend shape I have triggered, and this is still not working. So while even it is on, you can do the swapping of the input hierarchy. So right click, go for input, all input, and drag select blend shape to under the skin cluster. And as like you have rearranged this correctly, the skin cluster is on the top and the blend shape deformation is in the after that skin cluster. So you can see it's now working. So yes, this is one of the blends of video, and so far you like it and you think like this is a very informative for you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and refer to your friend, and put down in the comment section if you need any more explanation of it. And yeah, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.